Hello again. I wanted to do a kind of 2-for-1 video here talking about our 5-inch caps. We have a 5-inch flat cap, the 1006. This cap, very popular, but it has a very short lip. I've been in the industry a long time. I don't know why it's called a flat cap because they always have a pyramid type point on them. And this is our classic, the one we sell the most of for our ranch rail and the white vinyl 3 and 4 rail fences, even the privacy fence. This is the C5R9. As you can tell, they're both got the same pyramid shape. In fact, if I can scroll down here, we can see the pitch is almost identical. I don't see any difference in the two caps as far as that. The only difference is actually this lip. So I wanted to make sure before you ordered a cap for our 5-inch collection for your fence, make sure you're getting the right cap and show you both of these products. Thanks so much. Have a great day.